Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. When you meet someone after a long time, you can say, "Hey, long time no see." Hey, long time no see. If you want to ask for today's date, what's today's date? What's today's date? When someone asks if you watched a movie, you can reply, "Yes, I watched it. It was amazing." Yes, I watched it. It was amazing. If you want to order food at a restaurant, you can say, "I will have a plate of biryani, please." I will have a plate of biryani, please. When you are asking for water, "Can I get a glass of water?" Can I get a glass of water? If someone asks how your day was, you can reply, "It was busy but good." It was busy but good. When you are leaving office late, "I'm leaving late today. Lots of work." "I'm leaving late today. Lots of work." If you want to ask the time now, "Excuse me, what's the time now?" Excuse me, what's the time now? When someone asks about your health, you can reply, "I am feeling much better now. Thank you." "I am feeling much better now. Thank you." If you don't understand something, you can say, "Sorry, I didn't understand that." Sorry, I didn't understand that. When you give your seat to someone, you can say, "Please take this seat." Please take this seat. If you want to ask where the restroom is, you can say, "Where is the restroom, please?" Where is the restroom, please? When someone offers you help and you accept, you can say, "Yes, thank you. That would help a lot." Yes, thank you. That would help a lot. If you want to ask what's happening outside, "What's going on outside?" What's going on outside? When your phone battery is low, you can say, "My phone battery is about to die." My phone battery is about to die. If someone asks about your family, you can reply, "Everyone is doing fine. Thanks for asking." Everyone is doing fine. Thanks for asking. When you are appreciating good food, "This food tastes really good." This food tastes really good. If you want to ask for the bill, "Could I have the bill, please?" Could I have the bill, please? When someone says sorry to you, you can reply, "That's okay, no problem at all." That's okay, no problem at all. If you are ending a phone call, you can say, "Talk to you later. Bye." Talk to you later. Bye. Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.